Hi, doll. Hello! Sino yung anak ko? Kamukha mo? Wow, swerte ka. Dennis! Kamukha mo? Hindi naman siguro. Sana. Joke. Kung kamukha mo anak mo, kamukha mo din ako. Absence me talaga ba? Absent ba ako? Hindi mo ako absent H's pa daan-daan palagi dito. Hindi mo na ako binabagsakan. H's pa ginawa 1K. Naman. Salang Sabi na H's. Tandaan ka dyan. Sige na. Isang 1K lang Na H's. Huwag ka na mahiya. Alam ko nahiya ka lang magbagsak Huwag ka na mahiya. Close na tayo. Huwag ka mahiya sa akin. Ako lang to, H's. Hi, Wata, Shawi, El Tiro. Anto kasi ako. Medyo lang. Alam niyo kanang oras ako gumising? Mga 1 PM yata. Mga 3 PM na ata. Hindi ko alam. Actually, hindi ko alam. Ilang hours? ata. 11, 10. Pero inaantok na naman ako. Mas madali ako makatulog pag natulog.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here